None. Carmack.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see by the title, we are doing a maintenance, pamper, glow up type of video. This is me like a week after the glow up, so starting to look a little rough, but still cute. But if you're interested in watching this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the end of this video. And I haven't been posting for a while, but I'm back now. It's April, a new month, and I'm ready to be consistent and keep posting if anyone cares. This is the place I'm going to today. The light is not on, so hopefully they'll open. I'm 6 minutes late. Yeah, someone's in there.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
These are the nails. Super cute. I'm gonna show them later, like in the light. I did not even bring my hat today. That's how much I literally didn't care. This is where I get my hair done at, by the way.
This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting made. Just one on stage. Don't you motherfucker, man.
my box done. I'm not putting. Okay. Is her favorite person?
You want the brow or the makeup?
Makeup.
I go to Bound Cake and they serve. They have a full bar.
I wouldn't definitely name it.
Wow. It's supposed to be fire.
No, I couldn't see.
I'm gonna take a picture of your skin and then I'm gonna send you an email of everything that matches your complexion. Your hair looks nice. Oh, let's try this one.
Sunday morning.
Who works Sunday morning?
I'm asking, what are you doing?
Monday morning? I mean,
Sunday. How you feel? What do you think?
good.
Let me show you one more little lighting because you do a full beat, like you do concealer under the eyes and then you do your beat around. You do foundation and concealer under your eyes.
Well, right now I do nothing. So I'm trying to.
Okay, you ready to step it up?
But I think right now I just do concealer. Y'all don't have to Tarte in here.
Tarte, yeah.
You do?
Oh, mine still.
Yeah. I used to buy stuff every week.
Oh my God.
Are y'all hiring?
To do makeup here, you have to have a license. So half of us are estheticians, but if you just want to be a salesperson, you can. I like the left.
Yeah, I like the left. Yeah.
You agree?
Yeah. NayNays vlog. I mean, YouTube. It's me, the one and only Jemiah. I'm gonna do a little vlog myself for you guys. So.
Yes, honey. Yes. I sell so many of these Lady Gaga. You got to give me a check. She got it. But one thing I can say, she didn't kill you in the pocket.
Yeah.
And for sure, she's not that she don't need the money, but she did more from a caring standpoint.
Yeah.
Get into it. Look at the video.
Just covered up everything.
Oh.
You think that was better?
Yay.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
The bumping thing out. You got exfoliate pads, it's not expensive. Definitely twice a week. Take off the dead skin cells.
Y'all better come up here and get one of these.
Have a natural foundation. And you can already powder where you get oily. So set it with oil in your nose and your cheek. For the summer, you don't want to be matte. But you know, and then just do your setting powder and your setting spray.
Let me see if I can find which color.
What are you looking for? Right.
Or the lotion. Makeup window.
When you
How many
here?
followers you got? Then we can discuss it.
17 or 18K.
Oh, so you've been getting a couple of checks. Her attitude right now. She is too much. Look at her. And Mama D. They too together. I still turn up, but you know I stay in my lane. You gotta look out. I go to Florida after. Let me see. We're gonna get you 100. Wait, get this video because I'm getting 2 ones now. Close. Yes! He said, Miss, start doing it. He was encouraging me. I'm like, I'm shy. He was like, just start
You're
up.
shy.
No, I'm doing those with y'all, but I don't know, even by myself sitting in the camera, I feel like people gonna be saying this, and people gonna be saying that.
They probably will.
They do. Some people have said mean things.
Yeah.
Do you clap back? You like,
No.
Pull up on you, put it in your face. No, you don't do that.
Only thing I would care, they said, "Oh, you're ugly," but nobody said that yet. So
No, you're not. Look, you're a little curious when you're gloss. What kind of gloss you use? Fenty?
none. Carmack.
They don't have the gloss. You just,
Are these baskets for people to grab?
huh? Yes, yeah. Now that we spending the money, yeah.
The shopping cart.
The lip,
She's
the
doing
lip thing.
her brow.
I'm glad that other girl is taking all that stuff off. She's taking the butt out, fillers.
Oh, China.
She was pretty though. And then she had talked to her side of the exactly.
Okay.
Them demons probably jumped on her butt.
For the bottom, I don't know.
No, do it in your inner. So,
I need me one of these.
This turned into a shopping spree.
Yeah. Some, what is this, Fendi? Fenty. Oh, I'm about to give me one of them. How much this is?
oh yeah, this is it, girl. I love it. And this is for like a girl, you can't put a price on your beauty.
21.
Rihanna didn't kill us.
21.
What you mean? You don't know. You doing it?
I was gonna look at this thing. Security out there causing a light.
Can you tell? Blush? Yeah. Literally, that's just some over.
Number coming here.
This one, I changed my mind on.
So not these.
Why are you putting my phone number?
I'm gonna post this video.
Hopefully someday.
You're at 249.31.
Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Sephora. To get 2 brushes. So she said that she prefers the blush with the foundation that I got. So I got this foundation brush, 70, and then I got a brow brush in the number 20. These are both from the Sephora brand, obviously. And those brushes were kind of expensive. It was $30 freaking for that foundation brush. And the other brush was $18, which is not that bad, but $30. The foundation I got is the Lady Gaga foundation in the color 480 medium deep neutral. I did really like, how do you open this? Okay, really difficult packaging to open. Ooh, this is so heavy and sturdy. I'm actually really liking this. Packaging, this is like hard, y'all. And then it's just a pump. I just got some powder, y'all. I've never had setting powder before. I don't use it, never have, but she said this is an essential to set your makeup, especially if you're like a little bit oily and it's about to be summertime. And y'all, I sweat. And then I just got my OG Tarte concealer. That's the only concealer I think I've ever tried, so I don't know if that's the goody or that's just good to me. But the Anastasia Brow Wiz, y'all, I've never used anything on my brows, but I keep getting them done. I was considering a brow gel, but I don't think I want to freeze my brows upwards, so I'm good. Tea lip gloss and a oil control makeup setting spray. And lastly, I just got this perfume, Valentino, and it's called Born in Romania. It's like a go spray. So I did wear it today, and I guess I didn't spray it enough. Oh, I didn't realize this thing was just like a cover. But that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any video recommendations, leave them down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it'll be soon, in the next couple days.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.